The boys are cutting the grass. This is his favorite thing to do.
You're doing a good job, Jackson. Very good boy. Yeah, there's water up here. We got the sprinkler on.
Gotta turn around because the grass gets wet right here too. His sandals are gonna be dirty.
Okay, Jack, let's back up. We gotta turn it around. Oh, watch your head. Sorry. Here we go. All right. Let's make our way back. Come on. Assume the position right here. Jack, right here. Oh, let me get over there. Go ahead. You
Hey,
ready?
Tootie.
Let's go.
You getting tired? Oh, it's a hard work, huh? Oh, you're doing a good job. Bye, baby. I love you. Bye-bye. You're working so hard. Oh, you're doing a fine job.
Alright, you're doing good, Jack.
Daddy gets to cut the grass twice today. Fun times.
At least it's not hot. It's a nice cool evening.
Yeah,
Beautiful night. Better than 45 degrees in Michigan.
that's for sure.
Oh, thank you. We're going to turn now, Jack. You ready? Oh, you turn. Good boy. Okay, come on back. Go ahead. Get your position. Get your position. Good boy. Here we go. I was saying I wish you could help me out, but I'm worried you would get hurt.
Yeah,
Some kind of stone would come up and hit him.
yeah.
Oh, thank you.
He has to be a little bit bigger boy to help cut the grass. But we can keep pretending until it's time. Yeah.
Okay, Jack, I'm going to turn. Good boy. Okay, you ready? And, okay, assume the position. Right here. Good boy. Good job. Here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bye-bye. Bye. I love you.
Jack, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say I love you. Blow Mama sugar.
I love you, baby.
That's a